Very good morning, students. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Myself, Animesh Jain, and today we are going to study in Standard 8, Chapter 4 How the Traders Become Rulers. So, students, already we have studied about the subsidiary alliance. Lord Wellesley, they have implemented this subsidiary alliance, and we have studied that how many of the states they have accepted this subsidiary alliance. Okay, and now today in same chapter we are going to study about the policy of annexation. This was implemented by the Dalhousie. Okay, so, the aim of Wellesley's policy of expansion was to enslave the native kingdom without using much of the British resources. The states that accepted the subsidiary alliance considered the British as their friend. Those who have accepted the subsidiary policy, they were friend. So even truly, it in the absence of internal and external treat, they become irresponsible, and their administration started deter deteriorating. The outcome of the conspiracy of the British was the anarchy in many princely states. Princely states means what? A small state where the subsidiary or the annexation policy they have accepted. Okay, so the Indian rulers got trapped in it. The British got an excuse to start interfering into the internal affairs of the states on the pretext of putting an end to the anarchy. What, students? Those who have accepted this, the British got an excuse, उनको एक excuse मिल गया to start the interfering into the internal affairs. उनके जो भी अफेयर जो उनके टैक्सेस वगैरह जो है उसमें वो इन्वॉल्व होने लगे. सो ऑफ द स्टेट्स ऑन एन pretext of putting an end to the anarchy. So they annexed many states under the same excuse. और कई सारे स्टेट को जो है यही एक्सक्यूज़ की वजह से वो उन्होंने ले लिया. देयर आफ्टर बर्मा, नाउ म्यांमार जो है, पहले बर्मा बोला जाता था, अभी म्यांमार है. एंड रीजन्स ऑफ पंजाब वेर ऑल्सो एनेक्स्ड. और पंजाब जो है, पंजाब के भी कई सारे जो स्टेट हैं वहाँ एनेक्सेशन पॉलिसी को एक्सेप्ट कर लिया गया था. सो इफ़ द किंग डाइड विदाउट अ सन हिज स्टेट वॉज एनेक्स्ड. पहले जो रूल चलता था राजाओं का, अगर राजा के कोई वारिस नहीं होते थे तो क्या होता था? एनेक्शन पॉलिसी इम्प्लीमेंट हो जाती थी. सो इन दिस वे सतारा, झांसी, नागपुर एट्सेट्रा बिकम द विक्टिम ऑफ पॉलिसी ऑफ एनेक्सेशन. ये डेलहाउसी ने जो है इम्प्लीमेंट किया था. जैसे नागपुर है, सतारा है, झांसी है एट्सेट्रा, कई सारे जो स्टेट्स हैं वो एक विक्टिम हो गए किसके? एनेक्सेशन पॉलिसी के. ओके, so students, here in page number 21, Dalhousie's image it is given here, you can see. Okay, now what the Dalhousie aimed at helping the British traders to make huge profile from the trade of tea, coffee and cotton by capturing the area total produced these commodities on a large scale. स्टूडेंट्स, जो एरिया जो जहाँ पे खेती बाड़ी होती थी, कॉफ़ी, कॉटन, और ये क्या करने लगे? कैप्चर करने लगे जहाँ पे उनको ज़्यादा प्रॉफिट मिलता था. सो द consolidated the British rule in India and to run the administration smoothly, ताकि वो एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन स्मूथली चल सके. Many changes were introduced by Dalhousie in India. So during this tenure, the first railway line was started between Mumbai and Thane in the year 1853. स्टूडेंट्स नोट डाउन दिस पॉइंट, रेलवे जो है स्टार्ट किया गया था ताकि उनका जो ट्रेडिंग बिजनेस है वो स्मूथली चल सके. द मॉडर्न postal system started in India and wireless system between India and England too was introduced during his tenure. और साथ ही में वायरलेस सिस्टम ताकि वो एक दूसरे से कम्युनिकेट कर सके वो भी जो है स्टार्ट किया गया था. Was introduced during this tenure. He passed laws to ban child marriage and advocated widow remarriage. So English education spread in India during this time. साथ ही में चाइल्ड रीमैरिज, विडो रीमैरिज का जो है प्रथा हुई थी और साथ ही में इंग्लिश एजुकेशन को कंपलसरी कर दिया था. द फर्स्ट 3 universities in India were established in Mumbai, Chennai and Kolkata in the year 1857 CE. Students note down this point where in India, Mumbai, Chennai and Kolkata, the first university were started. These reforms were basically for the expansion of British rule and as in administration. So although Indians benefited later on, so they had to suffer a lot with the introduction of British reforms. So this was the about the policy where the Dalhousie were started. Okay, now dissatisfaction of people. Students, first of all the people, all the state, they have accepted the policy, but now what happened, they were not getting the satisfaction. So after the policy of subsidiary alliance, Dalhousie policy of annexation shocked the whole nation derived. This resulted in the dissatisfaction among the people towards the British. इनको सेटिस्फेक्शन नहीं हो पाया. सो यू मस्ट हैव सीन द फिल्म क्रांति एंड मंगल पांडे. इफ़ यू हैव नॉट सीन देन ट्राई एंड सी दिस मूवी. सो स्टूडेंट्स, सम motivational movie it is given, Mangal Pandey and Kranti. This movie, if you have not seen, then you can see there all the details it is given. So at this time the people were suppressed under the dictatorial regime. What? Dictatorial regime of the British. In addition to that, the reforms made by Dalhousie added fuel to fire. Different people reacted differently to railway facilities of post and telegraph and western education. Okay, here western education it is written, western education. So orthodox people felt that the British wanted to destroy their culture. Then after the people have realized that this is the nothing, only just they want to destroy their culture. The reforms done by the British were basically for running the administration smoothly. The dissatisfaction of people had reached a point of saturation and they were in the state of rebellion, which resulted in the freedom movement of 1857. Students, उसके बाद पीपल्स को रियलाइज़ हुआ कि ये जस्ट ऑन की पॉलिसी है ताकि उनका जो एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन वर्क है वो स्मूथली चल सके, उनको कोई बेनिफिट नहीं मिल रहा था. सो This was our today's topic about the Dalhousie policy of annexation. Later on, some more interesting topic we will study. So just stay tuned and thank you for watching this video. Thank you.